Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Robert Liu-Trujillo. I'm an artist from Oakland, California, and this is my sketchbook. I just wanted to talk about sketchbooks really quickly. They're really important to have fun and play with and to make really cool drawings, so always keep a sketchbook. For today's video on letters, this is the type of letters I'm going to do, something that's off, up and to the right, maybe a little bit of cursive. So this is what we're going to focus on. The word that I'm going to use is active, and I'm going to iterate or doodle or draw a bunch of different versions of it. So you see here I'm taking the same word active and drawing it a bunch of different ways. The importance of this again is just to basically have fun, to warm up, and to see how it looks in different styles. One that I want, I numbered them all, and I'm going to redraw it here with some guidelines. The guidelines that I put down are to give my letter some structure and to make it easier for me to place things. So I'll make the first letter a little bit bigger and the rest of them a little bit smaller, and use those guidelines, the diagonal lines, to keep the letters looking uniform so that they're all a similar size. And that helps give it a little bit of contrast of shape and style. So that's what I usually do when I make letters, is to have some guidelines to help me draw it. And you know, when I make the letters, I usually make one part of it thicker and one a little bit thinner. So you'll see in the rest of the word, when I'm doing the 3D, the shadow, I'm making one part of the letter thicker. And when I add this shadow right here, this is to make the letters come out, or to make it more three-dimensional, basically. What I use often when I'm drawing is a light box, but you can use a window. It's basically taking your rough sketch drawing and redrawing it on a thicker or nicer piece of paper. And I will take my drawing and a darker color and just go and re-outline the letters. And while I'm doing that, I'm still trying to stay loose, have fun, and to play with it. I can change things as I'm going. The sketch is just a guide, really, to give me an idea of where I want to go. So this is the 3D. I pick a direction, an angle, a diagonal line that I want it to go in, and then I try to make all of the letters follow that same line. So now, once I've done the outline of the letters and the 3D outline, what I'm going to do is just shade in the 3D to make the body of the letter pop, or to make it stand out more. The 3D is darker to, again, make it look like the letter's moving, give it some dimension. And once I'm done doing the base color of shading, then I will add in a darker element to, again, make it stand out even more. Next, when I'm shading it, I will add another example of blue, a lighter blue in the body of the letters, just to decorate it a little bit, to make it a little more ornate or stand out. And I'll do a kind of a faded from top to bottom, very dark at the top and a little bit lighter at the bottom, to give these letters some style, a little bit of funk to them. And then once I'm done doing the shading of the 3D and the body, I'll put a border around it, and then that's pretty much it. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. This is a little tutorial on letters. Stay tuned for more from the Wexner Center. Peace.